Hey guys, my name is Jonah Manzano. So today I'll be showing you how to create a 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. Now this has been introduced just recently, I believe this week, by Snapchat. I've just actually started noticing this yesterday, just right after I've updated my iPhone. Yes, I'm using my iPhone now. So if we go to my Snapchat, now, this is my public profile on Snapchat. You can subscribe to me when you have a chance or if you would like. I suggest Jonah Manzano, username Akotopogi. Now, let's get into it and have a look at this cool new 3D Bitmoji Snapchat that just released this week. Now, most of you will probably see this once you open your Snapchat. Um, What I'm going to do is show it to you quickly what I've created. Now, of course, this does not look like me. It's just for the purpose of this tutorial. The first one at the bottom, you can see your name, which is my name is Jonah Manzano, and change outfit. And let's see if we can actually change the outfit, and it should reflect my 3D Bitmoji. Now, let's put some hat. Let's make it more interesting, shall we? Then here I can change your pants if you would like, but I think I'll leave it as it is. For some reason, I don't see any pants. Maybe still loading up. This is my t-shirt. You know what? We'll change the whole outfit. So this is my closet. There you go, white jacket with a blue hat. So the shoes, if you want to make it cool, you can change the color as well. This is, as I said, it's still loading up with the outfit and all that. Black pants, you want red pants, and then if you want to actually change all the dresses, you can do that here. Socks, but I don't think that's noticeable. Now we save it. This will reflect on your screen. Just wait for it to load up, and here you go. So change selfie as well. This is just for when you chat with your friends and all that. Here on the left corner. So if we actually change the edit avatar, this is where it gets interesting, because here if I change it to that and below that and you save it, this will then reflect on your screen as a 3D Bitmoji. There you go. Looks like a very interesting, energetic person. Now you can also change the background. So here you go. I'm in a football stadium, or I guess this is the audience seat in the football stadium. You want some donuts in your background, want some light retro lights, whatever you call it. And if you're feeling you want to go to hot air balloons, and if you're feeling having a lot of cash or some holidays, you can do all that. Now you can share this. There are different kinds of options here. There's copy, Instagram stories, WhatsApp, Instagram messages, Twitter, Messenger, Facebook, and you can also download it. Not sure about this more, but yeah, you can download it and you can actually save it as a photo and share it to your friends. Now, there you have it. I hope you enjoy your day. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube, and also just showing to you my Spotlight and Snap Map. These are all the ones that I made. Are actually available under my public profile. And there you have it. Enjoy your day.